our inaugural internship for construction.
We set out to show these kids what we do, but we ended up learning just as much from them as they did from us. They exceeded all of our expectations above and beyond.
You guys are pioneers. They are the first, probably in the nation, that are doing a program like this. They are pioneers. They're going to be trailblazers. I hope, right? To me, this is not the end, right? This is just the beginning of the next phase. As you go back into your senior year, you took some skills from what you learned here this summer, you apply it to your senior year, and you come back and join us.
Hi, my name is Andrew Badillo. I'm currently a senior at Eli Whitney Technical High School. I do carpentry.
I'm Victor Acevedo, going into my senior year at Bullard Havens. I'm currently taking electrical.
I'm Dominic Sinise. I'm currently going to Bullard Havens. I'm an electrical. I graduate this year.
My name is Brett Bokikio. I go to Bullard Havens and I'm taking electrical.
My name is John Bankford. I'm in electrical and I go to Eli Whitney. I'm Marcus Haynes. I go to Eli Whitney and I'm in electrical.
DeAndre Brown. I currently go to Eli Whitney. I'm a senior in carpentry.
My name is Elijah Melendez. I'm going to be a senior at Eli Whitney and my shop is electrical.
My name is Santiago. I'm from Bullard. I'm in electrical. Yeah.
We need more people in the trade, and I step up to help our community.
It's been a fun experience. 10 weeks. It went by quick, but it's been fun. We had to replace the pole. We had to go on bucket trucks, replace wire. You go to different positions. You could go to meter service.